going to be learning about seagulls. Speaking of seagulls, there they are.
Wow, look at all the seagulls. Look at the ocean. Jen, I see a lot of seagulls behind us. What exactly do seagulls eat?
They eat almost anything. They're called the garbage men of the sea.
Jen, how exactly do seagulls catch all their food?
Well, it turns out they have really good vision.
Oh, so they can see all the things they're trying to eat?
Yep.
Jen, you know how humans can drink only fresh water and fish like sharks can only drink salt water? What kind of water can seagulls drink?
They can drink both. What a cool thing.
That is cool.
Yep.
Jen, what do you get when you cross the Loch Ness Monster with a shark?
You get lockjaws. Get it? Speaking of Loch Ness Monsters, next week we're going to be learning about Loch Ness Monsters. And always remember, you can go to www.jetsoceanadventure.com. See you next time. Bye!